Hey guys, and welcome back to this new trade breakdown. So today we're gonna break down a trade that happened on GBPUSD and that hit a 1:4 risk to reward ratio. So my SMC strategy is really mechanical and simple to understand. So even if you're a beginner, stick to this video and let's take a look at this. So for my SMC strategy, I use basically four major concepts. I use the POI, so the points of interest. I use the liquidity / inducement, and I use as well the Fibonacci retracement and the break of structure and change of character. So let's see how it works. So first of all, we need to identify our higher time frame range on the 4 hours. So for example, if I just delete everything right here and we go back a little bit in time at this point right here, we will identify our last break of structure to identify our current range. So in this case, the last break of structure happened exactly right here, right? So we can identify now in this range from this high to this low our valid points of interest. So in this case we have, for example, this one exactly right here. So this is a valid 4-hour POI and we have nothing else except that. As well, just on top, as you can see right here, there's no much inducement, there's no much liquidity that was generated while pushing down. Actually, the liquidity where it was situated above right here, this little wick. So this is actually some inducement / resting liquidity. And let's see what there is just on top. As you can see right here, there is another 4-hour POI that has all of this right here inducement that price left behind. So what we can expect actually, as this POI doesn't have any liquidity to sweep close to it, we can expect that this one will get destroyed and the next one on top will get tagged in and have a nice reaction. So let's see right here what's going on. So as you can see, indeed this POI got completely destroyed and now we can see if this one will get mitigated. So bam, this POI got mitigated exactly right here. And we will not only enter at this POI just like this, we need actually a confirmation. So this is where we're gonna go on the 15-minute time frame, because we need a 15-minute time frame confirmation / a break of structure to confirm that price is ready to react right here, because if not, you don't know if price reacts here or here or here, you don't know, so you cannot only enter here. So let's go on the 15 minutes, and as you can see right here, we got this 15-minute change of character. I called both of them break of structures because in my opinion it's just when it breaks a high or a low of the current range on a different time frame. So this is your break of structure to the downside / change of character, call it as you want. And then what you're gonna do, really simple, is just identify your most extreme point of interest in this new 15-minute range from this high and this low. As well, make sure that your extreme point of interest is in the Fibonacci retracement, so above the 50% if you want to sell. So in this case, this is the extreme 15-minute POI. So we're gonna place our entry limit exactly at this 15-minute POI right here. Your stop loss will be covering the entire 15-minute range high, and you're gonna add a little bit of pips for your spreads and liquidity sweeps. You don't want your stop loss to be too tight because you don't want to get out for no valid reasons. Your take profit 1 will be at 103 risk to reward ratio, and your take profit final will be at the hourly low. So in this area right here, this is our current hourly low. If you don't like the risk to reward ratio, you can as well target instead, for example, this POI for a little bit of a better risk to reward ratio, but you need to understand that right here price might just reverse. So it's up to you. I consider this is a safest exit. So let's see what's going on. So as you can see, bam, we got tapped in perfectly at this area right here, and then straight away price just flew down and hit our final take profit. As well, at the take profit number 1, you can take some partials out and place your stop loss to break even. That way, if price reverses, you will still have a small percentage of profits and you will not be in any losses. So your take profit 1 at 103 risk to reward ratio right here, you could have just placed your stop loss to break even in this area, and then you're gonna take some partials out, so like for example 25% or 50% out, and then you're gonna hold the rest until the end. So that's it guys. If you have any questions about this exact strategy, don't hesitate to put them down in the comments and I will answer your questions, and if not, stay tuned for more exciting breakdowns.